we are putting in also a marshmallow in. Okay.
Please, my mother and father don't see this because I'm going to get oof and killed from the belt.
Yes, so I know you can see it, I guess. Like,
Yeah. I'm ready to stop it if it's burning.
also, guys, today is my birthday.
Yeah. Happy birthday to Aaron. Happy birthday. No one. See, this is what happened. You thought nothing happened to the tap when you fold it? It little damaged the tap. Okay, enough I think so.
Enough? The timer says no, it's not enough.
It's this one. 23, 22, David is dumb. 19, 18, 17, 16, your mom. 15, sorry. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pew!
Bro, what the hell, bro?
Yeah, it became big. Wait, let's do it one more time. Oh, it's so good actually.
Also, guys, just a minute. We'll be waiting for a while. Guys,
It's breathing.
how is breathing? Where we? Show. Look at the down part.
Wait, does this looks like idli?
Yes, sir.
Oh my god, that thing is okay. Give me a thought.
Just a minute.
The difference between anything.
Fire and microwave.
Oh no!
What happened?
Bruh.
Damn, look at the difference. Hey, David, can you hold this?
It's different between
Ice cream is there.
Is it crazy?
Hey, Ryan, can you hold this? Just hold like this.
Is it crazy that
Ryan, like this. Hold this.
between Aaron's mom? Oh my god!
Wait, what?
You gotta be. This is our best idea in the life actually.
There are many in there, right? So
No.
try, David. You didn't eat even a single one.
The squish.
Ryan, eat. I mean, David, eat. Blow it. Put in your ice cream and eat.
Yeah.
Ella, well.
It will cool faster.
Look at his face.
Gug. How much would you rate this?
Good, yeah. So you can see his face.
8 out of 10.
You? How much would you rate it?
7 out of 10.
Is it 7.5 or 7?
7.5.
Shake.
Shake your
Help me from this moment.
Shake your ass.
Guys,
You eat it.
Yeah, I'll eat it.
it's for the audience, idiot. Everyone hates him. La 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 la. Thank you for watching, everybody. Shout out to David. Shout out to Ryan, even though it's my channel.
Good.
And bye.